Cause like eat.
So, oh, why are you filming?
I am now. Bye.
Yep, see, this is me emptying the dishwasher. I own you, son.
Son. That's old Mike right there.
What?
You know Mike?
Mike.
Bane's friend?
Big Mike?
Yeah.
AKA Bubba?
Yes.
Yeah, I know Mike.
He's my father.
He's your father?
Yes.
You know Jacob Bromley?
Yeah.
He's my father. I flipped out on him today. Actually really fun. Dude! What are you doing? I hope you're gonna wash that out.
Yeah.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Oh, you are?
I didn't know it.
Oh, that's fine. Hello.
You need to be quiet. You're gonna get on the computer. I need you to put the headphones on. This is me. Oh my god.
What'd you do?
I broke the bowl.
What bowl did you
I just broke the bowl.
Dude, I just washed it!
I just broke it.
Shoes. You can't walk.
Mom.
You can't walk.
We're in the same place!
And I didn't turn the camera off.
There could